Alright, it is week 6 of the workout program, so we're about halfway in right now. Well, I guess you can't really say you're halfway there until you're done with this week, but anyway, once again, starting off with deadlifts. I think it's 345 for 3 sets of 5. So I think it's a 10-pound jump from the last week. So hopefully I can get into the groove of things. Deadlifts felt really trashy last week, so hopefully they feel a lot better this time. Alright, so I think I'm gonna roll my back out, probably stretch it a little bit more so I don't like hurt myself, because I've always been pretty bad at keeping my back, you know, healthy. So here we go. It is day 2 of week 6. Well, I normally say week 1st, so it's week 6, day 2. And today is chest day. I believe I have 3x5, might be a 2x5 with 190 pounds. And I might bump it up to 200 depending on how heavy it feels. So hopefully I can bump it up to 200, that'd be pretty cool. I haven't done that in a while. So I just want to get my bench moving. Like, it's so weak, it's always been weak. I think the most I've ever pushed is 250 or 255, something like that. And I'd like to get 275 because that's like the next tier, you know, above 225. So hopefully we can just work toward that. I think at the end of this program I'm supposed to come out to 265, somewhere around there. So hopefully my strength goes up higher than that and I can hit 265 or 275 near the end of this program. So anyway, get back to the workout. Week 6, day 3, we got legs today. I think I have 290 for 2 sets of 5, so hopefully it feels alright. I think last leg day, it felt kind of heavy at 280, so I don't know. I think it really just depends on like what I eat the day of, day before and whatnot, so we'll see. Hopefully it goes smooth, hopefully I don't hurt myself. Week 6, day 4, shoulders today, got overhead press, 2 sets of 5 with 130 pounds. Finally getting up there in the weight, it feels good once I get 135 or so, because then you got some big boy weight on the sides. And let's see, I think last summer, maybe the summer before, I don't remember, one of those I pushed 175 overhead press. And I'm pretty confident I'm going to be able to do that at the end of these 12 weeks. I don't remember what my max is supposed to come out to, but if I'm already getting into sets of 5 with 130, almost 135 already, that's pretty good considering I normally would only do overhead press with like 95 pounds. But I don't know, it just feels good doing 95 pounds because you can get a good stretch. But yeah, that's besides the point. Let's get this workout.